Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on this bug on your on your WeChat app for storage. Of course, we will go to figure out this selection. You just go down here, you click here on me, then it's going to take you to next window here. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on my information authorizations. Then you come to a next window here, and you just click here on system permissions. Then you come to a next window, you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window, you go down here. Then you come here to my reminders. You will click and it's going to show for a window like this. You click here on my reminders for storage. You click here on this mark, and like you see this color show for us, that's mean my reminders it's on now for storage. So that's all. I wish know you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.